Before you make a decision about purchasing Outright, there are 12 key things you need to know. Whether you're looking for grammar checks, style improvements, or a reliable writing assistant, Outright promises to offer a lot. But let's see how it stacks up against the competition. First off, Outwrite is a generative AI software designed for businesses, helping automate tasks like content creation, editing, and even customer communication. However, its primary focus is on improving the quality of writing, offering features like advanced grammar correction and style enhancement. But here's the catch. Compared to some competitors, such as Grammarly or Hemingway, Outright's focus leans more toward business automation and efficiency, which might be exactly what you need if you're running a company. Next thing, while Outright's AI is powerful, it doesn't quite match up to some of the more sophisticated tools in the market in terms of deep learning and context understanding. While it can help polish your text, some other platforms provide more nuanced suggestions for tone, readability, and word choice, which is something to consider depending on your writing needs. The third thing you need to know is that Outright offers real-time suggestions and content improvement, similar to other tools like ProWriting Aid. However, it doesn't have as many integrations. If you rely on multiple platforms like Google Docs, WordPress, or even email tools, you might feel a bit limited here compared to something like Grammarly, which works seamlessly across many platforms. Next up, Outright's customer service is solid, but don't expect 24/7 live support. Many competitors in the AI writing space, like Jasper, offer more robust customer service options. So if you're someone who needs immediate assistance at any time of day, you might want to think twice. Now, the pricing model is another important aspect. Outright does offer a free trial, but its subscription plans can be a bit steeper compared to some competitors. Grammarly, for instance, offers a free tier that gives you access to basic features, whereas Outright's free trial is more of a limited time offer. If budget is a major concern, this is something to weigh carefully. The sixth thing to keep in mind is that Outright's ability to adapt to various writing styles is impressive, but it doesn't always handle complex business jargon or specific industry terms, as well as some of the more specialized AI platforms like Copy.ai or WriteSonic. So if you're working in a niche market, make sure it suits your needs. Next thing to note, Outright does not offer as much in terms of AI-powered content generation for marketing materials like blog posts, social media captions, or ad copy. If you're looking for something that helps you scale content production on a broader level, platforms like Jasper or WriteSonic might be more suited for that. The eighth thing is its simplicity. Outright's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech expert. However, compared to some more advanced tools, the lack of deeper customization options may feel a bit limiting if you're an experienced writer or editor. The ninth thing to know is that Outright is built with small to medium-sized businesses in mind. If you're running a large corporation or an enterprise, you might find it a bit less tailored to those complex needs compared to alternatives like Quillbot or Grammarly Business, which offer more scalable solutions. Next, Outright provides a range of helpful writing suggestions, but it's worth mentioning that the suggestions aren't always perfect. The AI still has room for improvement, especially when it comes to rephrasing or understanding the intent behind more creative pieces. This could be a deal breaker for those looking for something more intuitive and creative. The 11th thing is that Outright does provide some basic analytics, such as readability scores, but it's not as comprehensive as other tools. For example, Hemingway gives you detailed suggestions for readability and sentence structure, while Outright tends to be more focused on surface-level issues like grammar and word choice. And finally, Outright is a solid option, especially if you're looking for something streamlined and easy to use. But if you want something with a little more depth and wider integration, we recommend checking out our top choice. It's a solution that's proven to work for a wider range of writing needs, and you can try it for free today. In conclusion, Outright is definitely a strong contender in the AI writing tool market, but if you want the best of both worlds, ease of use and high-level functionality, our recommended alternative might be a better fit for your needs.